టుడే టాపిక్ బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏజెస్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూసినట్లయితే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఏజెస్ ఆఫ్ టూ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఈజ్ 51. ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ దేర్ ఏజెస్ ఈజ్ 2:1. ఫైండ్ దేర్ ఏజెస్. అయితే టూ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఏజెస్ ఇచ్చిండు. 2x ప్లస్ 1x రేషియోలో అడిగింది కాబట్టి టోటల్ ఏజ్ 51. 2x ప్లస్ 1x 3x is equal to 51. X is equal to 51 by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 2 remaining వస్తుంది. 2 7 ja 21. Answer 17. 2x 1x is equal to 2 into 17 34. 1x is equal to 1 into 17. X value 17. Answer second question. The ratio of present ages of Prasad and Kiran is 7:5. If the ratio of their ages after 6 years is 5:4, find the sum of their present ages. అయితే present ages are 7:5. Prasad and Kiran, after 6 years the ratio becomes 5:4. 7x plus 6 by 5x plus 6 is equal to 5 by 4. Cross multiplication. 4 into 7x plus 6 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 6. 4 7 ja 28x plus 4 into 6 24 is equal to 5 5 ja 25x plus 5 into 6 30. 28x right left side also minus 25x is equal to 30. 24 right side both minus plus one got minus 24. 28 minus 25 3x is equal to 30 minus 24 6. X is equal to 6 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. X is equal to 2. Find the sum of their present ages. అయితే 7x ఇంకా 5x. X value 2 14. 5 value 5 x కాబట్టి x value 2. 2 5 ja 10. 14 plus 10 24 our answer. Third question. The ages of A and B are in the ratio 6:5 and the sum of their ages is 44 years. What will be the ratio of their ages after 8 years? Ratio 6:5. 6x plus 5x is equal to the sum of their ages 44. 6x plus 5x 11x is equal to 44. X is equal to 44 by 11. 11 1 ja 11 4 ja. X is equal to 4. Find their what will be the ratio of their ages after 8 years. 6x 5x is equal to 6x and 4 6 4 ja 24 is equal to 5 into 4 20 plus 8 years after 8 years 24 plus 8 32. 20 plus 8 28. The answer is second option 32 28.